Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw your Ethereum from your Metamask to a bank account. So once you've logged onto your Metamask, please make sure you have Ethereum available, and the Ethereum should also cover gas fees as well. You see in the video. Once you've logged in, select the Ethereum main network. If you're not on the Ethereum main network, select Ethereum main network, select the Ethereum itself. Once you've done that, simply scroll down and select the send option, where you're met with the from and to menu. That's the send to menu, where you simply get the wallet address of your bank or the centralized exchange we're sending to. Simply minimize and get the wallet address of a centralized exchange. For this video, we're going to be working with OKX. Open up your OKX, and once you've opened up OKX, select the deposit option. And once the deposit options have loaded in, simply search for Ethereum, ETH, select Ethereum, and please make sure the Ethereum matches. And the Ethereum network we're going to be working with, that's the mainnet Ethereum, is the ERC20, not Arbitrum 1 or Optimism. ERC20, select that, copy this, and please make sure you have a look at the minimum deposit. As it states here, it's 0.01 Ethereum. So please make sure you have up to this amount or more than this amount before you send. Minimize, open up your Metamask and paste the address there. Once you've pasted the address there, simply click on the next option, enter the amount you wish to send. So let's say I've got like 29 or $30 worth of Ethereum. $30 worth of Ethereum or so. I would simply click on the next option and the Ethereum would be sent to my OKX. Now, once you've received your Ethereum on OKX, which there would be a notification for, once you've received the Ethereum, head back and check the asset menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. So click on the asset menu and you're met with the overview, where you simply scroll to your funding, or you scroll to your trading account, where you would have your Ethereum waiting for you here. So guys, once you've taken note of the Ethereum, head back home. The icon at the top left, select that icon, and where it says P2P trading in the buy crypto section, which is this P2P trading, select P2P trading. And once P2P trading has loaded up, the drop down that contains the Ethereum, you select this, which is this drop down here. And please make sure you're selecting the Ethereum, as Ethereum is as you can directly sell Ethereum on OKX. So select Ethereum and make sure you're on the sell menu, which is here, and scroll down till you find a merchant who has this star logo or the diamond logo on their name, so you can get yourself some Ethereum. And one thing you need to note, guys, you're going to need an account for this. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim $10,000 worth of welcome gifts and trading bonuses when you register and verify your account using our link. And once you've done all of that, once you've verified your account up to a level 2, please make sure you click on these sell options that are here. Select the sell option and enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell, and it will then be deposited in your bank account, where you can simply add by heading over to the profile menu. Once there, click on payments and click on add now, and please enter the payment method of your choice, which is just here. Enter the payment method. Once you've done that, select the cryptocurrency or the native currency of your location, or however you wish to store your money, how your money should be stored, if it's the Canadian dollar or the Chinese yen or whatever. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.